Hey guys, it's Katie and it's Thursday and I move out of my dorm next week on Friday, and obviously this video is going to be up after that, but I did want to do a moving out type of vlog thing, so packing up my stuff, taking down throughout the week. Final exams are coming up, so I'm kind of spreading out, packing up my entire dorm room, and I thought it would be interesting for you guys to see, so let's get into it. My lovely streamers are the first thing to go. Here we go. I literally only took down one thing and it was this, and now it looks so empty and I don't understand why. Like, look at this wall. It just looks so sad. Hey guys. Okay, remember when I said it was Thursday and I was gonna start packing? Yeah, it's Monday now and I haven't done anything but the streamers like I did in like the first clip. So I don't have a final today and I don't have one on Thursday, but I have one on Tuesday, Wednesday, and Friday. My parents are coming at like 2 p.m. on Friday and my last final ends at like 1:15, so I need to start packing now. I'm gonna do some cleaning out and yeah. Welcome to my floor. This is just a place where I throw like all these books and papers that I don't really need. So I'm just gonna go through this and throw out stuff and organize. You guys want to see? Look, I'm in a magazine. Ready? This is Top of the Pops. It's a UK magazine, and I was in it. Super duper cool. Wait, where am I? This is awkward. Oh, there I am. Look. That's me. Okay. Anyways, moving on. Is gonna stay because 1, I feel sad taking them down, and 2, it's really easy to take down, and 3, I need these post-it notes for the things I have due before the end of the year. So yeah. Okay, I have a pro tip for you. So my parents sent me packages throughout the school year, so I've kept the boxes so I can use them. Always thinking. This area is about to look really sad, but I don't need this stuff. It's just kind of like decoration, and it's better to pack up the stuff that I don't really need right now so I don't have to worry about it later. So like this cup, I think I need this lotion, but other than that, that's it. The poor little plants. Okay, I don't know if I'm a genius or just slow, but I figured out a smart way. So I have all of these pens. I just like put them here, but I'm not going to use all of them this week, obviously. So, so I thought, what if I put these pens in, you know, normal people would think, hey, put the pens in like a backpack, but no, I'm going to put them in my cup. And it's like a pen holder. Wow, guys, I really need sleep. Wait, this is actually genius. What am I talking about needing sleep? This is genius. And then I have a pen holder, and this can just go right back in the box. I feel so smart right now. Okay, so I'm not doing this yet because obviously I still have more time here, but for my clothing, I'm going to use my laundry hamper. I'm going to shove my sheets and my blankets and also some sweatshirts that won't get wrinkled there, just to save some space and use that. And then for my other clothes, a lot of them are going to stay on the hanger, so the stuff already hung up in my closet are going to stay hung up, like my dresses. And then my parents are bringing 2 big suitcases, and I'm going to throw some stuff in there. It's Tuesday and I just had an exam, so I'm still recovering from that. It was geology, but I am starting to pack. So I already did this little thingy. It's just like this extra box that I had that I never used, and so I just put a bunch of office supplies in there, just because it was like kind of everywhere, like paper clips, note cards, stuff like that. So I just shoved it all in that box. For some reason, I love packing. I feel like a lot of people don't like packing and unpacking, but I'm such an organized, oriented like mind. I just love packing and organizing, all that stuff. So I'm having a lot of fun right now. I'm also procrastinating studying for my next final, so that may be part of it. Okay, so I guess this is progress? Yes? No? Okay, so I put together this little bag. It just has like my extra sheets, towels, some shirts, and whatnot. I think I'm gonna add more to it, but it's just like goes under my bed, but I'm just storing like stuff that I don't need right now. Okay, so it's Wednesday and it's kind of getting down to the wire. I move out in 2 days, so technically I have 1.5 days left to pack. So I'm packing my clothes. I still have to do laundry, but I might not do that. I might just like throw it all in the bag. So yeah. Look at me being a genius. I hung up these bags like this so I can easily open them, put stuff in them. These are just my hangers, and I think I'm going to use this bag and put my shoes in there and stuff like that. I also put like my pillows and some other stuff in my laundry hamper just so it's easier to carry. And then this, I'm just throwing all my dirty clothes in so I can just wash it when I get home. But that's what that looks like. Hello friends, it's Thursday and I know I haven't been vlogging these past few days. I've just kind of not been feeling it, I guess, and I haven't really been packing. So I don't really think I'm going to pack today. I think the best time for me to pack is tomorrow after my exam. My parents are actually coming in 3 instead of 2, so I have a little more time to eat and pack. So that's when most of my packing is going to be done, so I'll be vlogging the most then. Here's a quick little update. So I just have kind of like this corner filled with boxes and stuff. I just kind of packed everything. All the stuff from down here is gone. All of the stuff from this drawer. And I also have more bags of stuff here. And then this drawer and that drawer are empty. I decided to put some of my shoes in this bag instead, so I just wrap them in plastic so they don't scuff up each other. And then this stuff can be folded, and this is the stuff that can't be folded. That's gonna stay hanging. It's my last day and it's early in the morning. It's like 9 o'clock, so I have my exam at 10:15. I'm gonna do a packing for like 20 minutes and then I'm going to go to my exam. I'm going to show you what I did. I just basically made everything more accessible and easier to grab. So a lot of my stuff, because my roommate was still here, was packed in the corners, but now I have it kind of like an open space so I can just put everything there. So my hamper's here. I put my shoes in plastic bags so they don't scuff up. A lot of it's going to go in luggage, I think. I moved some boxes. All this stuff behind me is going inside a suitcase, which I don't have right now, and then the stuff on that side are being hung up still because I can't really fold them. So yeah, I just kind of moved everything around to make it more accessible and stuff like that. think my parents are coming in 20 minutes, so I'm gonna watch some Hawaii Five-0. I think that's it for this video. I'm not gonna vlog after this because we're just gonna be doing a lot of stuff. But thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you later. Bye.